ஆடிப்பூரத்து ஜகத்துதித்தாள் வாழியே திருப்பாவை 30 செப்பினாள் வாழியே திருப்பாவை 30 செப்பினாள்
வாசுதேவாய
பெற்றெடுத்த பெண்
பகவதே வாசுதேவாய கீச் என்றெங்கும் ஆனை சாத்தன் கலந்து பேசின பேச்சரவம் கேட்டிலையோ பேய் பெண்ணே பகவதே வாசுதேவாய கீச் என்றெங்கும் ஆனை சாத்தன் கலந்து பேசின பேச்சரவம் கேட்டிலையோ பேய் பெண்ணே காசும் பிறப்பும் கலகலப்ப கை பேர்த்து வாசனர் குழல் ஆட்சியர் காசும் பிறப்பும் கலகலப்ப கை பேர்த்து வாசனர் குழல் ஆட்சியர் கமல ஜாலன விமல சுனயன மத்தினாலோசை படுத்த தைரவம் கேட்டிலையோ கரிவரத கருணாம்புதே விதி மத்தினாலோசை படுத்த தைரவம் கேட்டிலையோ கருண சரதி கமலா காந்தா மத்தினாலோசை படுத்த தைரவம் கேட்டிலையோ நாயக பெண் பிள்ளை நாராயணன் மூர்த்தி கேசவனை பாடவும் நீ கேட்டே கிடத்தியோ நாயக பெண் பிள்ளாய் நாராயணன் மூர்த்தி கேசவனை பாடவும் நீ கேட்டே கிடத்தியோ தேசமுடைய திரவேலுரெம்பாவ தேசமுடைய திரவேலுரெம்பாவ தேசமுடைய திரவேலுரெம்பாவாய் extremely social bird, the Bharadvaja Pakshi or the Ane Chatan, has started conversing and singing beautiful songs within its group. Let us as humans also become part of our Goshti and start singing the praises of Perumal on this beautiful morning and awaken our Manipuraka Chakra, which stands for wisdom and willpower. The Ane Chatan or Bharadvaja Pakshi is a reminder of Bharadvaja Maharshi's story, where he lives to 100 years studying the Vedas, and Devendra grants him a boon on his 100th birthday to live for another 100 years. During that time, the Maharshi continues to study the Vedas, and on his 200th birthday again asks for the same boon to live for another 100 years to continue studying the Vedas. On his 300th birthday, Devendra asks him, "Oh Maharshi, I can grant you another 100 years, but what do you wish to do with those 100 years?" The Maharshi said, "I still wish to continue studying the Vedas, O Devendra." Devendra chuckles and points to 3 mountains, each of which represented one of the Vedas the Maharshi had tried to study. The Maharshi asked, "Have I learnt at least half of these Vedas?" The Devendra picks up 3 fistfuls of dirt from each of those mountains and says, "This is what you have been able to gather." The Maharshi, as enthusiastic as he may have been and as sincere as he may have been, in his pursuit of wisdom, lacked surrender to Perumal and did not take along with him a Goshti or a Sangha of Bhagavad Bandhus. So akin to the Gopikas of Aichir, let us all get together and declare and celebrate our Pavai Nombu, and therefore let us develop willpower and wisdom in our surrender to Perumal, and therefore let us all blossom like lotuses. கேஷி நரகாசுர நிஷூதன மத்தினாலோசை படுத்த தைரவம் கேட்டிலையோ And timing is everything. The early morning of Margari is the opportune time for us to do our nombu, just as the early morning was the best time for the Gopikas to churn butter. Varada Vela Purasurottama Vattinalo Saipaditha Tairaravam Kettilayo Kettilayo Kettilayo. When we speak of churning, the one thing we are immediately reminded of is the story of the Samudra Manthan, where the Devas and the Asuras came together and lifted the Mount Mandara. They placed it in the ocean of milk and used the great serpent Vasuki as the rope around the mountain. Akin to churning butter, they began to churn the ocean of milk in an attempt to secure Amrita, the nectar of immortality. In this story, we are reminded that their attempt was so driven by vested interests and selfishness. Their intention and their actions were not matching. And so when the ocean of milk, or one could say, the ocean of one's own inner consciousness was churned, the very Mount Mandara itself, the butter churn, collapsed and started sinking. At that point, however, when they remembered to surrender, Perumal came in the form of Kurmavatara and took the Mount Mandara on his back. Perumal himself supported the entire action. Similarly, when we surrender to Perumal, he will come like the Kurmavatara and support us from the ground up in building whatever it is that we wish to seek from our sadhana, as long as our intention and the surrender are aligned while doing the sadhana. Karuna Sharade Kamala Kanta Mattinalo Saipaditha Tairaram Kettilayo Kettilayo Kettilayo. Perumal's grace is so beautiful. He is so compassionate. If we make our mind like the Mount Mandara as a butter churn, strengthen our willpower and wisdom, surrender and begin to churn the ocean of our consciousness, Perumal himself will come as Sri Rama did. He will lift the Shiva Dhanush and he will break it with a thunderous sound, and he will do all of that like it is child's play. For it may look like massive effort to us, but for him, he does it with such love. And when he breaks that Shiva Dhanush, he accepts Sita as his wife. The same Sita who herself as a little girl lifted that very same Shiva Dhanush that nobody else was able to lift. So let us make ourselves as worthy of Perumal's compassion. Nayaka pen pillai Narayanan Murti Keshavanai to our sadhana, and let us become the leader, the Nayaka pen pillai, and sing the praises of Keshava, the one who killed Keshi, Keshava who is Narayana, and Keshava who is the epitome of divine energy. And in doing so, let us radiate like a lamp in the darkness. Let us take along with us all of our Bhagavat Angas. Let us become the worthy recipients of Perumal's great compassion and devotion through our Bhave Nong. And so let us awaken our Manipuraka Chakra.
Maruvaru Tirumalli Valanadu Valanadu Vaழியே Valpuduvai Nagarkode Malarpadangal Vaழியே Valpuduvai நகர்கோதை மலர்பதங்கள் வாழியே வாழியே ஏ